Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this lovely approved used Volkswagen Grand California diesel estate. This lovely vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and comes equipped with a DSG Automatic gearbox. This lovely vehicle comes in a very interesting two-tone colour combination, finished in a lovely reflex silver in the top half and a lovely Indium Grey in the bottom half. Set into that front bumper is a set of front parking sensors, as well as some front fog lamps with a cornering function. This vehicle also benefits from having LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, and down below the vehicle sits on the very stylish 17-inch Lismore silver alloy wheels. On the side of this vehicle it comes with a Thule or Mister roll-out awning finished in a lovely black colour, and towards the rear of this vehicle it comes with rear parking sensors as well as a high-mounted rear view camera. Behind those lovely rear barn doors is a lovely spacious area, and taking a look from the side view we can see that there is a spacious bed towards the rear. This vehicle also comes with ambient lighting as well as having multiple storage compartments dotted along the rear of the vehicle, perfect for all those long camping trips away, and house a fair amount of storage within each of them. This vehicle comes with all the perfect amenities such as this fully kitted out bathroom, which includes a cassette toilet, functioning sink, mirror and plenty of storage options for those bathroom essentials. The vehicle also features a over-cab bunk, which can be folded away in a more convenient position when driving, as well as a ladder which can also be secured. This touchscreen allows you to access some of the features, such as the ambient lighting, and there is plenty of room in this lovely dining area spot with the two front swivel seats, as well as the rear passenger seats.
This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.